You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more useful Spanish vocabulary as well. So this is Spanish for father, or daddy more exactly. Father is padre, daddy is papa, papa. You have to stress on that second A syllable. That's why you have an accent on the A, second A. Papa is how you pronounce and how you say daddy in Spanish. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.